frames or smart glasses with Alexa.
Alexa, play Sonic Playlist.
Playing Sonic Playlist.
They use open-ear audio to direct sound straight to your ears. So you can make a call.
Alexa, call Yasmina.
Totally hands-free.
Alexa, add shallots to my shopping list. Set the timer for 3 minutes.
And still hear your people.
Alexa, what's the weather?
The weather is 67 degrees.
All right, let's go.
Your city. And what you want to listen to at the same time.
Alexa, did I lock the front door?
So go on. Get it all done without interrupting your flow.
Got an order up?
No need for headphones.
Alexa, when's my next meeting?
Your next event is at 3 p.m.
Alexa, volume up.
No need to pull out your phone.
Alexa, set the vibe.
Echo frames keep you in the moment, so you never miss it.
Echo Show 8 just got better.
Alexa, turn it up.
Better sound with spatial audio. Makes for better moves, better vibes, better bites. Oh, better put that down. Echo Show 8 has better video calling
Alexa, call wifey.
with better camera placement.
I can't find my keys.
Did you check the couch? Pocket? Look.
Of course. Better get going. Echo Show 8 just gets better and better.
Alexa, put the kids to bed.
The new smart home hub better connects your space. Good night. A quiet house. What's better than that?
Fits wherever. Shelf fits, table fits, studio chill vibes, late nights fits. Compact speaker, just ask Alexa, when did that happen? Play my favorite song, ask what you imagine. Music fits, shopping fits, timers, reminders, dance break fits. Put it on your nightstand and put it somewhere small. Go and put it anywhere, even on the wall. Bathroom, side table, soundtrack fits. Smart home, hands-free, light switch fits. No matter how you live, no matter what you're into, Echo Pop, it's fit for you.
Introducing.
Someone is at the front door.
Alexa, start my morning routine.
Nice to meet you.
Alexa, lock the doors, arm the alarm, and turn off the lights every time I leave on Sundays.
Okay, routine is set.